This video from Red Heart will show how to hold a crochet hook in yarn. There are two common ways to hold a crochet hook. The first method looks like a pencil. Begin by holding the hook like a pencil. The second method looks like a knife. Begin by holding the hook like a dinner knife. After choosing the hook method, insert the hook into a slip knot. Prepare the other hand for the yarn. Lift the pointer finger. Using the thumb and third finger, pinch the slip knot to hold everything in place. You are now ready to crochet. This video was brought to you by Red Heart at redheart.com.